In this video, we're going to look at turning off the Joomla Update Notification plugin. For the individual, we wouldn't normally recommend doing this, but if you have a lot of sites that you're managing and you're getting an awful lot of emails through, then this is one way to cut those emails down. So let's log in and have a look where we can do this. There are two ways in which we can get to the Joomla Update Notification plugin. From the home dashboard, we can click on the Plugins button, or we can go to the System page, go to Manage, and Plugins is halfway down. Once we're on the Plugins page, in the search box, if we type in Update Notification and hit Enter, and it will come back with all the plugins that relate to that. The one we're specifically looking at is the System Joomla Update Notification. We could turn it off immediately by clicking on this green tick to the left-hand side. That will now stop the plugin from sending out any more update notifications to us. However, there are other options that we can look at with the Joomla update notification. Let's take a look. So on the plugin configuration screen, we've got a few options open to us. We can see on the right hand side that we've already disabled it, so the status is set to disabled. However, we can also change which emails receive the notification email. Similarly, we can also change the email language. Another thing to notice on this page is that we can customize the email template. This is a new feature that's been brought in with Joomla 4. Let's see if we can find where this email template resides. So if we close this plugin, we'll go back to System, and on the left-hand side, we've got a templates area with mail templates at the bottom. Let's go in and have a look at this. Now there's lots of mail templates already in here, so we're going to filter them down a bit, and we're going to go by select extension. Now when we look in this list of extensions, we've got nothing in here for the update notification. There is a good reason for that, because we need to go back to the System plugins, find the System Joomla update notification, and then enable it. After all, you wouldn't want to send an email if something's disabled. So now let's go back to System Mail Templates, filter options, look under select extension, and now we've got the System Joomla update notification, so we can click on here. And when we look at this, it gives us a little bit of detail already. So let's go in and actually have a look at the mail template. So here we have the email template that will be sent out when the plugin runs. And here we have some options available to us. We can change the subject line and the body of the text. Similarly, on the right hand side, we can use tags of new version, current version, site name, URL, link, and release news. And indeed, if we have a look at the subject line and throughout the body, then we can see an example of these tags in use. Once we've made changes, in the top left-hand corner, we have the option to save or save and close. If we want to revert to the original at any point, then on the right-hand side, we also have a reset to default subject and a reset to default body. This way, we can tailor the email to be a little bit more friendly when it comes through. And similarly, if we put in a specific subject line, then in our email system, we can filter by that subject line to put it into a special folder. This gives us different ways to deal with the Joomla update notification emails that we receive, whether we turn them off completely, send them to a different email address, or change the email template so we can handle it better. All these options are available to us.